We are looking for the height of each one of these pyramids. Okay, it's already given us the slant height on these. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for the height, and it's kind of hard to draw it, this right here. So if you think about it, if you draw from here to here, make a right triangle in there, like that. Now this side is 38 because that's the slant height right here. How far is it going to be from here to here? Why is this 12? Yeah, because this is in the middle, and it's half of this whole thing from here to here, so it's half of the 24 to be the 12 right here. Okay, so how are we going to set this up in the Pythagorean theorem? Just like the shortcut version of it.
38 squared minus 12 squared.
Yep. Since you know the hypotenuse, okay, and you're looking for one of the shorter sides, you're subtracting here. If you're looking for the hypotenuse, the longest side, that's when you add. Anyway, so 38 squared minus 12 squared square rooted is what?
36.06.
Okay. So on this one, the slant height is 37. And then from here to here is half of 18, which is 9. We're looking for this, so we're going to do 37 squared minus 9 squared square rooted. What does that give you? 35.89? Yeah? Okay. 35.89 feet. And then on this one, same thing. This is 50. How far is it from here to here? 11. Okay. Because it's half of 22. So we have 50 squared minus 11 squared square rooted. And what does that give you?
48.78.
48.78? Okay. All right, so today we're doing the same thing we did yesterday. We're doing volume of pyramids and cones. So yesterday I gave this to you, but what's the volume formula for a pyramid?
Base times height divided by 3.
Okay, so it's area of the base times height divided by 3. Now again, I want to say this about surface area and volume. What's the difference between surface area and volume? Okay, volume is what it takes to fill the inside of a three-dimensional figure. And so what's surface area?
The outside.
Okay, it's the area of the outside layer. Okay, the very, very outside, the very surface. And surface area is talking about a two-dimensional thing, where volume is talking about a three-dimensional thing. Okay, capital P stands for perimeter of the base. B stands for area of the base. L stands for slant height. And H stands for the height. So on this pyramid right here, which one is the height? 10.77 is the slant height. Okay, again, here this little thing right here. So the height is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and a base. The slant height is the height of one of its lateral faces. Okay, so slant height goes along the outside. The height is on the inside. Now, volume of a cone is what?
Pi times r squared times height divided by 3.
Bless you. Pi r squared times h divided by 3. Okay. So volume of a pyramid, area of the base times height divided by 3. Volume of a cone, pi r squared times h divided by 3. All right, so in example 1, what is the B for this? Okay, because b is the area of the base, so this is, assuming this is a square, so we're gonna go 23 times 23, which is what?
529.
Okay, 529 square yards. Okay, what's the height? Okay, good. Not 34. 34 is the slant height. So this is exactly like what we did on our warm-up. So we're going to do 34 squared minus what?
11.5.
11.5 squared. And the reason we have 11.5 is that's half. Okay, that's half of 23. And what does that give you? Yeah, it's like 31.997 or something like that. So yeah, we'll just round it, say 32. So for the volume, we take the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Now be careful, because a lot of stuff we've done have been divided by 2. Here we're dividing by 3, so it's easy to make the mistake of dividing by 2. But make sure on this you're dividing by 3 on the volume of this pyramid cone. And what does that give you?
1,642.67.
Okay, 5,642.67, okay, cubic yards. All right, example 2, how are we going to find the area of the base on this one? Yep, apothem times perimeter divided by 2. So we're going to take the apothem, 13.86, times what's the perimeter of the base?
96.
96, because it's 16 6 times divided by 2. What does that give you? Okay, what's the height? Okay, that one just gives you 20. So we're going to take area of the base times the height divided by 2. Or, nope, divided by 3.
4,435.42.
All right, then on example 3, what's the radius of this cone? 7. What's the height?
13.7.
Okay, good. Not 21. 21 is the slant height. So we got to do Pythagorean theorem here. So it's 21 squared minus 7 squared square rooted. And yeah, 19.8. So for the volume of a cone, it is pi r squared times h divided by 3. And what does that give you?
1,015.99.
1,015.99?
Yeah.
Alrighty.